Do you want to crop a video in TikTok, but can't find the right option? In this video, I'll show you how to crop videos inside the TikTok app, step by step, so you can remove unwanted parts and make your videos fit perfectly. I'm going to open my TikTok application and then record or upload a video from my photo gallery. I have this mini documentary video just as an example, so let's open the TikTok video editor by clicking this little icon at the top right corner. Select the video in your timeline and we will have a couple of options show up, and you're looking for this crop button. Once you tap on crop, this screen will open up. At the bottom, you'll see different aspect ratio options like 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 3:4, and 4:3. If you're posting a normal TikTok video, 9:16 is the best option because it fills the entire screen. You can also drag the frame with your finger to adjust exactly what part of the video you want to keep. Move it left, right, up, or down until everything fits the way you want.